In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Keep, an incredibly handy tool for organizing your thoughts, tasks, and ideas online. Google Keep is a simple yet powerful application, and by the end of this video, you'll know how to use its main features to boost your productivity. First, let's head to your Google browser and navigate to the Google Keep website. You'll need to enter keep.google.com into your browser's address bar. Once the page loads, you'll be prompted to choose your Google account. Go ahead and select the account you'd like to use. If you're not already signed in, you'll be asked to type in your password. After you've done that, click the Next button to proceed. This will take you to the Google Keep homepage where all the note-taking magic happens. Right at the top of the page, you'll notice a gray box labeled Take a Note. This is where you can start creating your simple notes. It's perfect for jotting down quick thoughts or ideas that you don't want to forget. Just click on the box, type in whatever's on your mind, and it will automatically save. If you're someone who loves making to-do lists or tracking tasks step by step, you'll find the new list icon incredibly useful. You can find it as a checkbox icon right next to the Take a Note box. Click on this icon to create a new checklist note. As you complete items on your list, you can check them off to keep track of your progress. Sometimes a picture says more than words. And for those moments, you can add image notes to your collection. Click on the new note with image icon to add an image to your note. This is great for visual reminders or saving inspiration you find throughout the day. To keep your most important notes easily accessible, use the pin icon. Clicking this pin will ensure that the note stays at the top of your list, making it quick to find those crucial pieces of information when you need them. You can also add a splash of color to your notes by clicking on the palette icon. This is a simple way to better organize and distinguish between different types of notes at just a glance. For instance, you might choose one color for personal notes and another for work-related ideas. If you're looking to assign further organization, such as categorizing your notes under different keywords, click on the three dots found at the corner of your note and then select Label. This acts like a folder system, but with the added flexibility that OneNote can have multiple labels. It helps in searching and filtering notes as your collection grows. And there you have it. These are the essential features of Google Keep that will help you stay organized and on top of your daily tasks. Thank you for watching and happy note taking.